When Penny decided to give her living room a refresh, the last thing she expected was a visit to the emergency room. However, after losing her footing and falling to the floor, Penny needed all the assistance she could get. Home alone for the next few hours, Penny wondered how she would get the help she needed. A few months ago, I decided to paint my living room and had moved all the furniture around and removed items from the walls. Once the paint dried, it was time to put the room back together. I fixed all the furniture back into its usual place, and then tackled the curtain rod over the window. I figured the easiest way to do it was to climb up onto the back of the couch, but I forgot just how slippery that material can be. Next thing I knew, my foot slipped from the top of the couch, sunk into a cushion, and I hurt my leg as I fell back onto the living room floor. I was so shocked I laid there for a few moments trying to assess my pain and figure out what to do next. It was such a hard landing that I didn't want to move my leg because I was so sure it was broken. As I was lying there on the floor, I ran through my options. My cell phone wasn't within reach and I wasn't sure I could move to get it. My husband is a pilot, so he was away for days. My son wouldn't be home from his classes for hours. It would be a long while before anyone was coming home to rescue me. Then I remembered Alexa. We have Echo devices all over the house, and before this moment, we'd been using them for the daily stuff, managing our grocery lists, playing music, controlling our lights, and checking in on my family while I'm away for work. I remembered that Alexa could call my contacts, and so I called out and asked Alexa to call my friend and neighbor Celeste.